शुक्रारा आक्षी वाठारातल्या सेंट लॉरेन्स हायस्कुलान तरणाट्यां खातीर गियर हेड्स 2023 ही कार्यावळ घडोवन हाडली। हे कार्यावळींतल्यान तरणाट्यांक आपली कला सादर करपा खातीर एक माची मेळोवन दिली। पळयात काय उर्बेभरीत खीण।
Main purpose for this was to keep in line with NEP, National Education Policy 2020, because we need to cater to the students, we need to teach them to work through art, to learn through art. And this was the main focus of having such a function. It also teaches them to have team spirit, to learn and work with one another. And we had a program which was divided into two. Morning was the formal program where the chief guest was Mr. Bhagirath Shetty, chairman of Goa Board of Secondary and High Secondary Education, and guests of honor Dr. Mrs. Myrtle Caldera and Reverend Father Brito Cornelio Fernandez, along with many other dignitaries. In this evening we'll be having an entertainment program where we will showcase our students, will showcase and perform different dances, and ex-students will perform different items for the benefit of the community at large.
At St. Lawrence High School, Agassiz, it's a wonderful display under Gear Heads 2023 where they have displayed all the cars, and inside the cars there are different corners, like maybe food corners are there, then there are weaving, maybe some materials they have weaved. Lots of the games are there, and it's a need of the hour that the St. Lawrence High School is taking this initiative. It's a unique initiative taken by the St. Lawrence, and I appreciate the work put in by the headmistress, Madam Lorna, and students are very much interested. It's a one-day activity, but a lot of the things have been put in. There's a one vintage car also sponsored by one of the parents, and this is a very unique identity where the school has involved the PTA, the close community also. They have involved, and in a true sense they have achieved the target of the education. I wish them all the best.
And it's a tremendous day because of the concept of the headmistress what she's brought here today about Gearheads annual gathering. It's a concept where the teachers have worked hard, the children have put in their efforts, as well as the parents also have helped them in making a wonderful presentation. In the cars itself you can see that there's a teddy bear, there are plants, there are games, there are stalls, all Goan items, and it's really wonderfully put up.
It's a unique program which we are having this year. The headmistress, Ms. Lorna, and other staff members also over here. Right now we are having tiebreaker tournament. This inter-school tiebreaker. Around 9 schools have taken part for this tournament. It's going on, and as we are organizing it, it's enthusiasm for children to grow as future budding players. Once again, on behalf of us teachers, students, thank you for this.
गोवा 365 खातीर विलियम रॉड्रिगेज, समृता खणगावकर आणि ओमकार देशप्रभू।